Welcome everybody. We are really glad to introduce you our team from Pakistan with Mr. Aftab and his team. That is really, we are really proud about this partnership with them because it's another step that we can grow to different countries for EGB4 Technologies. Welcome to EGB4 Technologies Group. Be part of our partners around the world, Aftab. And please let us know you about your company, your team, and what are you doing in Pakistan in these subjects about STEM programs and the technology future from your country.
Thank you very much, Eduardo, for introducing us. So here in Pakistan, we started RoboKids in 2014. So it's been more than 6 years. And we made sure that we understand what is STEM education. Basically, we have our aim is to help students in Pakistan solve problems using technology. And to us, that's what STEM education is, giving them practical, hands-on training.
Okay, so yeah, my name is Farheen and I've been working for RoboKids for like 3 years now. And it's been fantastic because I work for Pakistan and it's really amazing here. Initially it was difficult because obviously it was really hard for the students to digest the fact that it's going to be all hands on, right? And it's totally different from what we have been doing, because here in Pakistan the teachings, they were totally different, they were all conventional, right? So now STEM basically enhances that. It needs to be all hands on, so students they learn more when they do it. So yeah, and I think we just wanted students to be amazing problem solvers, because we see a lot of different problems in every country. There are a lot of problems, so we just want our students, we just want to arm them with 21st century skills. And I think students are doing really good now, because when they see the results right there and then, so they get really happy. And I think in future this is going to benefit the students, because STEM is doing wonders here in Pakistan and all around the world. Yeah.
We have started by first taking a certification from NASA and Columbia University's Endeavor program for STEM education. And in that program, what is taught to the school administrations and teachers in the US is how to conduct engaging programs which are according to standards and which are integrated with the students' existing curriculum. The purpose of our STEM education, which gives the strength to us, is to design programs which students find very interesting, and with those programs they learn new skills with which they can do many types of projects, and this is what we believe is our strength.
Great. And which countries are you in right now, Aftab?
We have Pakistan and Middle East under us, and so in Middle East, countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Jordan, Egypt, those are the countries that come in Middle East besides Pakistan.
And what are the benefits to belong IGB4 International and to participate in all these different international tournaments? We already start with the virtual tournament because of these times, but in the future, I am sure that we will be join your team and your kids from different. They can share with another kids and boys and girls from another countries, another cultures. That now that we are living in an open world, that is very easy now to talk to like you to talk right now in Pakistan in different schedules, but the objective for the kids and for the world is just one: is how they can be better educated in technology and how they can use the technology in order that they can learn more and also help the teachers. So the other question that I have from your team and for you is how you see the participation of the woman in these STEM programs too?
Thank you for letting me speak on this. So one of the coolest thing that about Pakistan is that we can see a lot of women stepping into STEM as well. Like previously, if we talk about the past, we did not have that much access. We did not have those many resources to actually that was basically STEM used to be a male-oriented field. But now, with due thanks to a lot of different STEM initiatives, a lot of different partnerships happening, it's something really amazing for us ladies, for us women to actually step into STEM and to play our part to contribute more towards our society in this way. And the same thing that I feel about this partnership with EGB4, like it's really exciting for me and my teammates that this is something that we are going to learn. We have more opportunities and we're going to learn more and explore more and contribute more.
And how you can help the kids in all these countries with your programs and with the new partnership with EGB4 Technology. What are your thoughts about how you can help these boys and girls in your country?
That's a very good question. Pakistan and Middle East is a vast region, and therefore there are many different types of students and families and schools with lots of different types of needs and requirements. And the good thing about EGB4 programs is that there is a diversity of options and choices available. Many different types of robotics programs, programming or coding programs, etc., where students can enjoy learning about robotics without, for instance, having to look at a screen, or in programs where they can do the programming and not worry about losing different sorts of pieces, or programs in which the course curriculum, the content has been made very easy. So these programs are very relevant and appropriate for schools, so they can set up their robotics labs as well. And this is something that we are very fortunate and happy to have partnered with EGB4 to now be able to offer these programs to all the schools and families in the Middle East and Pakistan region.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I am Akbar and I am mechatronics and control engineer from UET Lahore. And I have been teaching since past 5 years. And in 2020, I was decided to step in the STEM education in the STEM instructor. So I joined RoboKids. In RoboKids, I can teach computational thinking, computer coding, and mental math and these subjects, because we can enable our students to learn computational thinking and to solve different problems, so that they can learn these skills, they become engineer in the future. So it's exciting that students learn these skills at their early age, so that they can know these skills, because in the future era of technology and computers, so it is better to introduce education in our country as well. So it would be very good if we work with EGB4, because EGB4 is having experience of 25 years in the 26 countries of STEM education. So we would like to work with EGB4 to start this STEM education in Pakistan as well. So our students can also do the same thing in the different as the kids are doing in the other countries as well. Thank you.
My name is Zaima, and I'm a software engineer from NCBA DSA campus from Lahore. And in this section, I just want to say that we are we want to work on students' computational thinking, and it will help them to pursue their career and their future in a better way. Because at this era, we are just putting some stress on them, and we are just forcing them to learn a math and a science. We are not working on their computational thinking. And with EGB4, I think we can participate to develop their thinking. That's all about. I just want to say thank you.
My name is Kenza Ijaz. I am BSc. I took BScs and from NCBS University. In my teaching career, I just learned about. I think kids can learn by implement ideas on practical basis rather than reading or writing. We should encourage them and let them do mistakes because they can learn their mistakes. We should appreciate their skills. I think they can think differently and do the things in unique way. And it's very joyful for me to do a work with the EGB4. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anna. I really appreciate your time, your words. And for us, it's very exciting to have you in our partners in around the world. Also, could you, one of you can answer me, what is the impact that you will expect from the teachers from Pakistan? Because now we already talk about the students, we already about the programs, but I think that it is very important the teacher. If the teacher doesn't have enough training or they don't understand what is STEM about it, we cannot accomplish our goals. So one of you can tell me how we can impact the teachers from Pakistan?
Let me just comment on that I know that EGB4 has so many programs for teachers' professional development. For all the robotics and other programs, there are many hours of teacher training available, both synchronous and asynchronous, in which train the trainer training takes place through live trainings, as well as for teachers to learn some of the material through self-paced courses. And this is very good because this means that we're not just offering some programs to the students of the schools. We are first looking at the teachers, who are the first and most important factor in any country's education system. And it is these teachers, first we have to help them understand what is STEM education, what is the philosophy of STEM education, and how they can help their students. And it's very good that EGB4 has lots of training material for the professional development of the teachers, so that this part can also be taken care of.
And is something else that you want to add for this conversation, Aftab and your team?
It's a pleasure for us. We feel very happy that we are now in the family of EGB4. When I am communicating with the other partners who are more than 25 countries, and they're all in one platform, and we are communicating, we are exchanging ideas all over the world. This is really exciting. And I feel that this is something we have something really great going, because it means that ideas and suggestions can come from any part of the globe. And because of that, so many different types of good things, good products, services, technologies are now available to all of us. So it's a really good feeling, of a family feeling that I'm getting from having entered the EGB4 family.
Thank you everyone, and again, welcome. See you soon.